Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel where I help you find the perfect laptop for your needs. Today I'll be looking at Dell XPS 15 laptop. We will look every aspect of this machine in terms of design, display, performance, and much more to see what sets it apart from other laptops on the market. Are you looking for a high-performance laptop that can handle all your demanding workloads? If so, you might want to check out the Dell XPS 15. With its powerful hardware and sleek design, the XPS 15 is a top-performing laptop that can handle just about anything you throw at it. So keep watching this video till end. Before starting our video, link is given in the description and you can buy this laptop right now. Let's start our video. Let's start with the heart of the XPS 15, the 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor. With 14 cores and a clock speed of up to 5.4 GHz, this processor is one of the fastest on the market. Whether you're running multiple applications or working on complex projects, the XPS 15 won't slow you down. The XPS 15 also features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8GB GDDR6, making it a great choice for gamers and designers who need a powerful GPU. You'll be able to run the latest games and software without any lag or stutter. The XPS 15's 15.6-inch FHD Plus Infinity Edge non-touch, anti-glare 500 nit display is another standout feature. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a brightness of 500 nits, this display is bright, clear, and easy on the eyes. Whether you're working on spreadsheets or streaming your favorite show, the XPS 15's display won't disappoint. With 16GB of DDR5 memory and a 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, the XPS 15 has plenty of storage and memory for all your files and applications. You won't have to worry about running out of space or dealing with slow load times. The XPS 15 is also well equipped when it comes to ports. You'll find one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with DisplayPort, two Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports, and a headphone and microphone combo port. The laptop also comes with a USB-C to USB-A version 3.0 and HDMI version 2.0 adapter, which is included in the box. Despite its powerful hardware, the XPS 15 is surprisingly portable. It measures 0.71 inches in height, 13.57 inches in width, and 9.06 inches in depth. The laptop weighs in at 4.21 pounds, 1.86 kilograms, for FHD Plus and 4.23 pounds, 1.92 kilograms, for OLED, making it easy to take with you on the go. The XPS 15's 6L86 battery provides plenty of power to keep you working all day. And when you need to recharge, the laptop comes with a 130-watt Type-C adapter that can quickly top up your battery. The XPS 15 also features a 720p HD camera and dual-array microphones, making it easy to connect with colleagues and friends online. Finally, the XPS 15 has stereo woofer 2.5W/2 and stereo tweeter 1.5W/2, providing a total peak power of 8W. This means you can enjoy an immersive audio experience with rich, clear sound. Overall, the XPS 15 is a top-of-the-line laptop that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design and exceptional performance. Whether you're a content creator, a power user, or someone who just wants the best of the best, this laptop has everything you need to get the job done. That's it guys, I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.